masigabong hiyawan na may kasamang pagmamahal from the loved ones, families, and friends of the newlyweds. Make some noise, everybody! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Arnel and Shine Mercado.
What I see the future bring to you and me one day.
Hi, Shine. Jerry May, my love. Before I started, I just want to thank the Lord for giving me a lady who can stay with me for the rest of my life.
Si Arnel, yung parang meron ka ng person na alam mo yun, kahit anong gusto mong gawin, nandyan siya to support you. Kahit pag nagugutom ka sa madaling araw, may kasama ka na, tara, kain tayo.
I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Heaven made your hand to complement my hand, like heaven made my heart to complement your heart. Heaven gave you love.
To be honest, I never thought that we will reach this far because it never crossed on my mind that this day will happen. Maybe because I'm used to be alone and I manage my life by myself.
From our first awkward message to our epic travels around the world, you have been my rock, my partner in crime, and my favorite travel buddy.
Lahat kami nakikinabang sa desisyon nyo ngayon, Arnel. Shine. Sana nga paglabas nyo sa simbaang ito, iisa na kayo, ha? One, united by God.
And our Father spoken, in this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan. And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Here we are, we found the day like we'd always pray.
Nakakilala po kami sa Tinder. Nakita ko po kasi, Tomasian din siya. Tomasian din ako. So, sabi ko, pwede.
My love, when we met on Tinder 4 years and 1 day ago, I thought I was just swiping right. Little did I know, I was swiping right into the greatest adventure of my life.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own?
Arnel and Shine, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
I have.
I have.
But today, you make us proud. Your parents, your relatives here, you make us all proud because both of you are witnessing today your faith in God.
Thank you for the guy who invented that app. Kalain mo, from swiping right, I met my right girl. Kaya swabe. I'm not promising anything in our marriage. I will try my very best to fulfill my duties as your beloved husband.
Thank you, ma'am, for doing your best para mapalaki kami ni Kuya. Thank you din, Pang.
Welcome.
Alam ko hindi naging madali yung buhay natin, pero ginawa niyo lahat para bigyan kami ng magandang buhay. I love you so much. I love you too.
I love you, Shine. I love you very much.
Hold your hand, whether we're exploring new places or just walking down the street. I will always choose you today and every day. I love you, my love, now and forever.
Arnel, you may again kiss your wife, Shine, and let us all welcome them as a new couple in our faith community.